Hello, welcome to Prism Art TV. For today's video, we're going to make 3D pop-up butterfly card using paper. Are you guys ready? Here are our material list. I'll list them below in our description box. Today's design is going to be done by Scarlett. First, let's have a butterfly sketch ready with pencil, and we're going to trace the outline using black Sharpie. Add designs to the butterfly however you would like to decorate. For coloring, we're going to use Blick's acrylic paint. We're going to use neon yellow, neon orange, and also black color to add details. Once the painting is ready, let's cut it out. We'll need one long strip of paper to attach the butterfly to the background, so let's use leftover paper and have it ready. For the background paper, it will be the same size as the butterfly piece, but slightly bigger. We're going to draw out mountains and nature for the background. Let's add some waterfall and sun next to the mountain. Have watercolor ready? Let's paint them. To add some splash, we're going to use neon orange acrylic paint again and gonna splash them all over the background using brush. While we wait for the paint to dry, let's go back to the butterfly piece and add some orange glitter glue to certain sections. Fold the background paper in half. Using hot glue gun, let's attach butterfly to the middle section of the strip paper. Fold the two ends into 1/2 inch and hot glue them onto the background paper. We all done! Check out all these finished pieces by Prism Art School students. Aren't they great? Hope you guys had fun watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. See you guys next week. Bye!